Hello everyone, I'm sure you might have heard of AI agents. And so today, let's try to understand AI agents from a higher education or research perspective. Many of you are using the chatbot interface where you put a prompt and you get a response. Now you need AI agents when you have a work that has multiple steps or stages, and each step and stages needs different kinds of skills. So let's take the example of writing a research paper. In order to write a research paper, you have a data which needs to be analyzed. You have to download and read research papers and books. You need to compare the arguments and synthesize the argument. You need to write the paper. You need to critically revise the paper. You need to identify suitable journal to publish the paper, and you need to revise the paper according to the journal's need. And so this kind of work needs multiple steps or stages, and you need different kinds of skill in each steps or stages. Agentic AI systems can do all of those things in one go. In order to do that, you need two kinds of files. The first is agents.md file. This agents.md file gives detailed description about how to complete a particular task, because again, each task needs a different kind of process. And so depending on the kind of work that you're doing, you will need different kind of processes as such, and you will need different way of achieving the task. Agents.md file gives detailed description about that. The second file that you need is skills.md file. In each of the stages, you will need defined kind of skill depending on the discipline and depending on your personal choice. A skill of reading, a skill of writing, and a skill of doing research. And so this skills.md file have a detailed description about how you need to read, how you need to write, and all of those things. Once you have this and give the command, AI agents will go and work for you until it completes the tasks. That is why today we are in an AI agent era, where an AI agent can specifically learn how to complete a task, but also at the same time can specifically learn a specific skill. And that is the reason why we need to learn and understand how to use AI agents. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll address it in the upcoming reel.